In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run weekly planning using Asana. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable setup that keeps your tasks and priorities organized for the week. Start by opening Asana on your desktop and heading to your workspace. This is where your projects live and where your weekly plan will sit. Click the plus button for a new project and choose the list view. List view is great for a weekly plan because it lays everything out in clear rows and sections, making it easy to scan and update. Give your project a clear name, like weekly planning. You can keep it reusable week to week, or add a date to the title if that helps you track history. Once your project is created, click Add Section and create sections for each day of the work week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. These sections act like daily buckets, helping you see what needs to happen and when. Under each section, add tasks for the work you plan to complete that day. Keep task names short and action-oriented so they're easy to understand at a glance. If you already know who will do the work, click into a task to open the task panel and assign it to the responsible team member using the Assignee field. Assigning tasks makes ownership clear and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Next, set a due date that matches the day of the week. This keeps your task aligned with the section and helps Asana surface reminders. If a task has multiple components, add subtasks to break it down into smaller, manageable steps. Subtasks make progress more visible and reduce overwhelm. To add more clarity, use custom fields to track priority and status. For example, create a priority field with high, medium, and low, and a status field with not started, in progress, and completed. These fields help you quickly sort and filter your work, and they make weekly check-ins much faster. At the start of each week, review your project. Move tasks around if priorities change. Update assignees and adjust due dates to reflect what needs attention first. The idea is to keep the plan flexible while maintaining focus. When you want a big picture view, switch to Calendar to see how your tasks are distributed across the week, or open the dashboard to visualize progress by status or priority. These views help you spot bottlenecks early and balance your workload. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.